Hi Creative Birdies, how are you guys doing today? We're in my art room. By request I was asked, and I don't remember exactly who it was. I think she was, I don't remember, but she asked for a studio tour and I had said that I would do it, but I have a mess right now. We're in the middle of moving things around again, but we're also in the middle of putting in a glass door. We are going to remove the wooden door because this room has no windows and it's really dark, and as an artist I really would like to see some kind of outside instead of just being closed up. Plus our walls are brown. So this is all of my hoarding, but we're in the middle of, like I said, putting in a door, and I wanted to get one of those carts that everybody has, but we learned to use what we have and upcycle. We had found this in the trash. I think it was in the trash. Oh no, we purchased it from... Babe, did we find this or did we purchase that cart?
The door?
The cart.
Oh, that. We found it.
Found it. So what George is doing is he's adding these panels. We're going to put hooks, and that way I can put stuff here. I don't know if you guys have seen the new roll carts at Michael's, but they have something similar, so we got the idea from that. And this is, I don't know what they used it for, some kind of display maybe. It's a store display. He put panels on this end. And then we're going to put more shelves because it's too far apart. And then we have these cardboard boxes that we're going to use to store paints. And then I have these here that I'm going to use to store paints as well. So things are, you know, a mess right now until all the organization comes together. Look at that little mess down there.
Did I leave my tape measure in there?
Not that I see.
Okay.
I have this piece as well. You guys have seen that with me for years. Look, I've picked that up at the supermarket. They were giving them out for free. I guess after... Ooh, how pretty. I start seeing things that I forgot I had. These are pretty. I must have gotten those in Happy Mail. Creative Birdie Mail. I don't like calling it Happy Mail.
Found it.
You're going to have to attach that to you because for the rest of the day you're going to lose it.
Yeah.
And that pencil. So the door that we're removing, that's not even an exterior door, right?
No. It's actually meant for inside. It's very hollow and flimsy.
The one we're putting, is it meant for exterior or not even that?
Yeah, it's an exterior door.
Okay.
That we found on the curb.
Yeah, we found it on the curve many moons ago. So when you guys are watching me create art, you guys are up on this thing. This one here. And that comes all the way up to the ceiling. That's the way I have you guys. I don't know if it's me or my camera that keeps glaring, I think the word is. Oh, and there's that cat. Don't know who it belongs to. Hey, cat. Hi, honey. She likes to hang out up there. We were just outside taking in whatever sun is left. These two pieces. One that Odette bought this one for me. Odette from Africa. And then that one I just saved up for. And then all of these, I think 3 are purchased And then all the rest have just been found in the streets. Lots of them. People tend to throw these IKEA pieces out. Here comes Honey. She's stretching. I have fabrics up there. They're really hard to get to. And then that IKEA piece right there, I think it's 3 pieces, that was in the trash as well. And then George made all of the shelves right there for me. There's a video on it. He also made these shelves. And then these things I've had for over 19 years. IKEA doesn't even sell them anymore. This piece was from the trash. And we just took off the paint and repainted it. And then George made me that as well. Yep. And so what we did is we stuck shelves on top of those red cabinets. I need to clean up though, I really do. That's what I'm doing. Honey jumped down. So yeah, I'll come back when George is ready to step the store. Let me show it to you. There's my thrift store sign. For some reason I felt that this was only half window, but it's a full window, full glass I mean. Yeah, windows. Cool. I can't wait till it goes up. It's weathered, but I'm fine with that. I really like it that way. What, babe?
I need to put a nail in the middle because to keep my guide straight, because it kind of warps in a little bit.
Oh, there goes the mosquitoes. Did you spray yourself?
No. You know this was part of a French door?
Yeah.
Oh.
Next door to the house we used to live in.
Yeah.
We had French doors in there. What if they are the French doors from inside that house?
Maybe.
That would be interesting to think that, because then it followed us.
Yeah.
Why does it look open?
Don't know. I have to check.
No, it's not open. There's mosquitoes all around your head.
You need to spray me in a minute. Alright.
And how about me? You're just going to let them eat me?
No, I'm going to spray you too. Here we go.
Okay, I'm going to come back when the door is probably ready to be hung. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, so the door is up. It's a gloomy day. I wanted to show you on a very sunny day, but it's gloomy and I want to get the video up. So that's the door. It was 2 doors. French doors are 2 doors. They come together and they close. We're only using 1 door because in this house I don't have a huge door the way I used to have. Okay, so there's that. I am looking through the screen and it looks blurry. I don't know if it's my eyeballs or if it's the screen. I have a huge feeling it's my eyes. So that's what the door looks like, and this is my happy, crazy, organized way. I know where everything is at. Ooh. This carpet. Oh, where did I see it? Where did I get it? I think I got it. Like, okay, yes, at the bin. Okay, Goodwill has this section where they sell bins full of clothing for like $1 or something a pound. That's where I got this. That tapestry. And tapestries I think are like under $3, so I ended up getting that for under $3. Oh, there's a mosquito. I'll get you. Okay, so I move things around now, you can tell. That thing I use because I try to drain my adenoids and my thyroids. I jump up and down on it. My gout, I try to get it moving. So I jump up and down on that thing, and then I go take my gout medicine and stuff like that. So that's why I have that in there, because I have to jump on it every single day to get my stuff moving around to start draining. Okay, so this piece here was over here. And this piece, all of these were over here. And that was just randomly placed in my room. So, what I'm doing, and what is still not done completely, is George is going to stick some shelves for me here, and down, and down. And this will be my homemade rack cart, roller cart, I don't know what you guys call it. That special little cart that every craft room, most craft rooms have. It's 3 layers and it rolls around. Well, this one's mine. And on the, now I know where it belonged to. It belonged to a supermarket down the street that closed down, and it's used to carry Skinny Girl cocktail wine bottle display. That's what it was, and they were throwing it out, so we picked it up. So that's my rack, my homemade rack cart. And then I stuck this thing here. This is for holding, you know, towels in the kitchen or wherever else. Stuck that there. And we stuck these here, I mentioned earlier. It rolls around. He put the wheels on it. Just going to roll that in here. So now, what's my purpose for having this? Well, I'm going to, once he puts the shelves in, I'm going to stick these in each shelf and put my paints on, so that I don't have to have all of my paints everywhere. Like I have, this is my desk, right? When I record, I'm recording here. My camera is usually here, facing downwards. My seat is right here. Okay. But I have all these things that I rather not have on my table. I'd rather have them in that. So that when I need to grab things, I just pull that all next to me and grab what I need. Now, I do have $15 put away to purchase one of those 3-tier rack things that you crafters and artists have. Because I'm planning to stick it in here and have that here. I'm planning to maybe push this over. I don't know, but it's going to go here. One of the dogs wants in. Hi, Bean. Whew, that's my heating blanket. That's my heating blanket. Those, oh my gosh, when I injured myself for a few months, I didn't have a wheelchair, so that's what I was using to roll around on. When I swelled up my knees, I still don't know what happened there. Probably has something to do with rheumatitis. I swelled up my knees like 3 times its size. It was bad. It was bad, bad, bad. Anyways, I rolled around on that. The dogs love my basket down there. I need to find a spot for all that mess. I do have this thing. I'm not using it properly. I need to clean it, dust it, and use it properly. That is my doll from when I was 3 years old. I still have her. We picked her up. My mom and dad picked her up with me in Long Beach, Queen Mary. Yeah. There. And what else? That's it. Up there is where Honey stays. That's her little flat. That's her loft up there. And there's my robe. Not my robe. My apron that Janet gave me. There's quite a few things you guys will see that you guys gave me. Like right there, Lisa Beard gave me those boxes and the stuff in it. There's quite a few knickknacks here and there. I made this. I want to do a tutorial on it. It's really pretty. Me personally, I can't see if you guys can see. My bowls are messed up. Plus I haven't had coffee. I haven't had no water. My water's right there. I drink about, I want to say 4 of these a day. Well, not this one. See, I keep the bottle, but what I usually do is pour some alkaline water into my regular water. Alkaline water into my drinking water. That way I don't drink so much water. Anyways, you guys see that I have the postcards ready to go. Well, they're not ready to go. Ready to go for the next video. I've seen a lot of your guys' comments on things that you guys see. Lottie sees so many things. She sees a rocker chick. Oh, she sees plenty and plenty of things. And that's the way Lottie and I have always been. We see things on people's art. I'm getting an Easter basket from Janet. I'm excited. And Jackie's getting something in that as well. I've been told the Easter Bunny already spilled their juice. Carrot juice all over. It's not a surprise, but what's in it is a surprise. I think George is getting cookies in that Easter basket. Anyways, I'm going to place you guys right back up here. So I'm done with the room tour, right? Oh, I didn't show you my closet, but that's okay. The closet's not mine anymore. The closet belongs to George. He has all his computer stuff in there, and I don't need to be showing that. Anyways, I'm very grateful to you guys. I love you guys. Stay creative. What I'm going to do is go for coffee, go for water, take my turmerics because it helps me so much with my swelling. Take my inflammatory, basically to help me with my inflammation. Drink some water, get some dinner going. That's it. All I did today was clean the house, and while I cleaned, I dyed my gray roots. Put on all my lotions. So it's supposed to rain. There was a bit of thunder, but not too bad. For those that don't know where I'm at, I'm in Los Angeles, California. And a little beautiful town really close to the Dodger Stadium. I need water. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thank you so very much for visiting with me and allowing me into your homes and giving me the time that's so precious to you and precious to me. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.